Wheelchair use Newton's Law 3. Principle of conservation of momentum, the principle of stability motion, and gravity forces. Thermogun principle of infrared radiation. Electromagnetic spectrum thermogun counteracts infrared radiation emitted by objects and converts it into a temperature that can be read.
A pill is an example of a solid whose volume will always remain fixed and whose constituent substances are tightly packed together.
Mineral water is an example of a liquid whose shape changes and the bonds between particles are weak. Gravity. Water in pills consumed will fall down, according to the force of gravity. Bernoulli's law. When water is swallowed, there will be a change in pressure in the esophagus which is related to the speed of water.
Gravity, the weight of an object, is the mass of the object multiplied by the acceleration at that location, Hooke's law. When the patient gets on the scale, the spring will stretch. If the patient is no longer on the scale, then the spring on the scale will return to its original direction. Newton's Law 2, force required to accelerate and decelerate. The wheels on a wheelchair, friction force. The motion of the wheels on a surface creates resistance called friction force. Newton's Law 1. The patient can move due to the force of the crutch's lever principle. The force at one end of the crutch is converted into a greater force at the other end.
Thanks